Punch her in the lip.
I was making noise too.
Punch.
I was singing.
And then Madison came in and two of them were arguing. They don't want to be in bed. It was like, get the hell off the bed, and both of them were trying to get on the bed.
Yeah.
And you're sitting there when they're freaking kicking and fighting each other. Move, Madison! No, you move! It's my dad! I'm not moving! You move!
You're gonna get it!
Non-stop.
I tried to bite it, character.
Yeah, but my mama taught me to take my booty, and my mama.
Why is people on my computer?
People, remember when she was snoring? How was she snoring, Sean?
No, you're recording. Shut up.
No.
Take me up the damn video.
She was talking.
Look at that belly.
Hey,
Maddie, find your clothes for school tomorrow.
Find something that fits for tomorrow.
Connor, find some school clothes.